Beep beep, what is up ninjas? My name is Simrold and it's time for you to learn how to make Kura style leads, and in all honesty it's not that hard, but with just a little bit of luck, just the right sample, you can do Kura style leads as well. Beep beep, let me turn the damn AC off, that shit's loud. Beep beep, what is up ninjas? So today we're gonna be learning how to make manly leads like Kura. That guy's a man. You're a fucking sexy guy. But his music also really good and it goes off in the club really well as well. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make those style of leads. Now, the first thing is that you're going to have to build up a collection of audio samples, and I recommend everybody does this. You know, go outside, record voices, or get acapellas and grab vocal chops from the acapellas like a ah, or like a bia, or like a bitch. You know, you kind of get the idea there. And you want to make sure it's in the key of C, so transpose it down so that when you play it in Serum, it's in key, or you could just deal with it yourself and use your ears. By all means, that works as well. Once you have it, you're going to go to Documents, Xfer, Extra Serum Presets, and then from there, the noise folder. There you're going to make the folder called, you know, I don't know, for me it would be like Semrold Sexy Noises, what's up? And vice versa, you could do a lot with that. So from there, we're going to load up the noises. And honestly, it's not about the skill. I mean, there is skill in selecting the noises, guys, but it's about... you know, it's more about luck, I'm not gonna lie, because sometimes you might get a good one and sometimes you might not. So from here, I have this shot, which is the first one we're gonna mess with. Okay, so from here, what I want to do once I have it is set into one-shot mode. So it doesn't keep looping. I want to put key track on, which is going to increase the speed of the sample as we go up the keyboard and slow it down as we go down so we get more tonality. All right, very simple there. Mono legato, bottom right with a bit of porta, and play around with that because this is what's going to sell the Kura thing. Kura loves to do a lot of pinch bends. He likes to go up and down all the damn time. So that's how you're going to get that to really glide. You know, you want the note to play and you want to glide into the other note, aka overlapping MIDI, as you can see over here right now. So we're going to go down an octave. So you can see there. Now the next thing is just the processing of it, and you can go various ways, and I'll show you guys some advanced cool features you can do that I've done for the brand new Festival Revolution Volume 2 pack coming out in I believe June 8th. We're pushing it because we want to release a lot of freebies for you guys. So what we're gonna do is distort. Or you can use harder distortion but be easy and gentle with it. We're gonna add reverb. Get rid of everything below frequencies like below 300, let's say. Because it's going to get rid of that mud that usually comes with a vocal. A vocal will kind of hit the frequencies of 150 and up, so you got to be careful with those low ones. If you want more body, you can add a bit of a booster around 600. So now if I play this. Now, if you want to add more advanced stuff to this, which you can, let me show you guys a couple things we can do. First off, we can go into any filter, any style of filter, like let's try a comb one, and we can add movement to this by just moving this guy up. So let's say that we have an envelope here of LFO1, so we can have that. Let's put envelope mode on. And this will really help. You know, you can do a lot of cool stuff with it. The problem with the combs is that it does present these new frequencies that are a bit sometimes, so you're going to have to EQ a little bit harder to make it feel like it belongs in the mix. So you got to be careful with those. Other cool things we can do is envelope 3. We can do a very fast pitch decay here and add it to the pitch. Forward will make it click a bit more, so lower that. Or you can go reverse. So you get that whoop kind of. Alright, so those are kind of things we have access to that we can do. The rest is really going to be up on you to find interesting noises. For instance, you know, I do have some interesting ones like an elephant. You know, so that's how we get. You know, so, and then it's going to be about the MIDI work as well. You know, the Kura thing is very, very interesting because it opens up the possibilities. I mean, any sound you have will get altered differently. Heavy Chan might not even. Now, there's some Kura leads that sound metallic, and in that instance, you would sample like a metal hit with tonality in it and stuff like that. That's where like Foley packs come in handy because you can get those in there. But hopefully this video helps, and if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll comment, guys. But I am in a hurry, so I'll see you guys next time. You guys take care, and hopefully this video sheds a little bit of light on it. It's this simple. Yes, there's nothing crazy going on like that. The key thing is also going to be in the processing, as you kind of saw, to make it sound legit. Anyways, you guys take care, and you guys have...